Let's see what we got. New Road Glide versus old Road Glide. Let's see what we got. I'm like, damn. Almost tripped me up. It's on 91.
Ain't scared. Ain't scared.
Got that gas. You say you got that gas for your ass.
Hey, fat boy. Yes?
Trick on 40, what we doing? Oh yeah, it's a baller belly. A lot of steaks, a lot of sandwiches and burgers and Snickers.
And Snickles. Nigga said Snickles, Skittles, and Snickers. Nigga, both of them. I'm dying. He's hilarious, man. All right, so what we doing? Let's do it. Who got it? I don't know who got it. I don't know who got it.
Got down there.
I don't know.
I don't know. We got to wait on that.
I don't know who got it.
Running, boy.
Yeah, for sure. Huh?
Both of them was spinning. It looked like the left lane was out, but then it looked like he started reeling.
Yeah, it looked like it did look like he reeled them in.
Might have reeled him in. To the bike, right? Yeah. I don't know who won.
Oh, he got that slap on that motherfucker though. Oh God.
It's close. That's what I thought. What was it? I think.
Nigga said,
It was close.
No, it's not really.
All right. He was left lane. That was left lane.
So who got it? New school or old school? Who got it?
Left lane. Left lane.
So new school got it. New school got it.
Yeah, I got it in order.
New school got it.
Hey, you all done, nigga. Left lane.
He said you all done.
Left lane for the win.
What's up, nigga? How you feeling? Good seeing you, man. Tired. Wake up, nigga. What was it? What happened?
Hey, man, you did a meat.
What happened?
He was acting like little me, man.
Hey,
He was acting like me.
that nigga got me by like that much.
Tiny bit, teeny bit.
Watch your back.
Hey, did you ever get in front of him? We gonna run it back though.